Well, in final paint, a number of these different items for the project. You can see that we have the fuel tank cover here, all in green, the aluminum aprons, inside and out, as well as the hood, which came out nice. Nice body work and sanding. As we lose focus here. But overall, we're in good shape. One thing that we did do, as well as this apron, was to paint both the bezel and for the gauge cluster and the pocket in a nice stock silver color. And then lastly down here we actually have the bezel, which was done. You saw that being sanded out as well. And you can see the bezel. So when we put this back on the dash, back together, it'll present as being very clean and neat. So we're in good shape there. This is a Syngus white color.